everyone. It's another talking video. Welcome to the House Pictures. I'm Randy from Destiny's Happiness Stage Services, and I wanted to know that my goal here is simple to help you find creative property that fits your need, budget, and lifestyle. If you or someone you know that looking for a property like townhouses, condominium, house and lot, or investment property, or even if you have a property that you're sale or currently out, I'm here to assist you and stay forward. Feel free to contact me or comment down below. And please don't forget to like, share, and follow my Future Ventures and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you so much for Ventures, and here is our Venture for today.
Imagine waking up every morning to a fresh air, peaceful surroundings, and breathtaking panoramic view of Bohol and Camotes Island. Today, I'm excited to share a rare opportunity to own a prime residential lot inside Crown Heights subdivision, one of Compostela, Cebu's most prestigious high-end communities. Here's the best part. This property has just undergone a major price reduction. From 2,475,000, it is now available for 2 million pesos only, giving you an instant savings of 475,000 instantly. Alright, the lot offers a total area of 150 square meters, priced at a pex of 13,333.33 per square meter. This property is ideal whether you are planning to build your dream home, a peaceful retirement residences, or you are looking a smart investment in a fast-growing area. Located in Cogun, Compostela, Cebu, Crown Heights subdivision offers the perfect balance of privacy, security, and accessibility. In just 2 to 5 minutes, you can easily reach the main highway, church, schools, beach resorts, public market, municipal halls, and hospital. Here you are enjoy the serenity of an elevated private community without sacrificing everyday convenience. So opportunity like this are rare, especially with a significant price drop in a high-end subdivision. If you are an OFW, or if you have the funds, you are looking to invest wisely, this is your opportunity. With an immediate value gain of 475,000 upon purchase and strong potential for future appreciation, this property offers both instant and long-term returns. Contact me today or comment below to schedule a site visit. Your future home or your next smart investment, start here at Crown Heights, Compostela, Cebu. Thank you so much and see you soon on site visit.